वेलकम। आज हमारे साथ बैठे हैं वही फनी वाला जी, अमन जी। कैसे हैं आप?
Hi, Psych. Psych, what's your real name? I don't know.
ऐसे रिवील
No, your real
नहीं
name.
सर, ऐसे रिवील नहीं। अच्छा ठीक है।
Oh, you haven't revealed your name.
नहीं मतलब there are no problem in revealing. It's just that I don't go by that name. I go by Psych only. लेकिन I have no
Okay.
problem in revealing. मेरा असली नाम है शौर्य सिंह।
Okay, Shaurya.
हाँ जी।
Hello. My name is Aman.
अरे सच में क्या बात कर रहे हो? It's not
Nice.
like आपका यूजर नेम अमन है। हाँ जी सर। तो सर आज हम आपके साथ जुड़े हैं और आप लोग जानते होंगे वही होने वाला जी। मतलब क्या बताएं इनके बारे में। बेसिक इंट्रो तो मतलब क्या ही देना। एक बार आप सर्च करिए तो अब तो ऑफ तन्मय भट्ट फेम।
Oh, okay. Yeah, like
जितने पहले बड़े आदमी थे अब तो उससे भी बड़े आदमी बन चुके हैं।
so many blue ticks I have. Oh my god.
पहले सर पूछेंगे कि आपका सर इनका जो स्टाइल ऑफ ह्यूमर है वो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि एक तरह से रिफ्लेक्टिव ह्यूमर है, सटारिकल ह्यूमर है और ऐसा ह्यूमर है जो सिंपल तरीके से बता सकता है कि कॉम्प्लेक्स इश्यूज़ को। तो सर ये मतलब मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। सर आप अपने ह्यूमर अपना क्रिएटिव आउटलुक को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे?
My creative outlook. Okay, so basically the idea behind when I started making videos, I had this one simple idea in my head that I have to make people laugh. That's how I started. I was like, I was 14 or 15. I wanted to make people laugh.
That was very long
Yes.
ago. Okay.
Yes, I just wanted to make people laugh. Right, so of course I started with vines and slapstick humor. I did that in school and everything. The teachers and my friends used to laugh at it. That's kind of where I started. But then I realized that, this isn't really working out for me because I was not much into acting. I didn't like acting. Then I was introduced to topical humor. You must have seen On Air with AIB and Hassan Minaj. I was introduced to it when I was 16. That's when I started moving into that direction. And right now, I guess I'm still learning, but at least I've started, instead of just reading about it and watching it, I've started creating it and learning with the process.
And having some sort of influence which, telling people कि क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं. And then it has helped a lot of people because ज़्यादातर लोगों को एक ओपिनियन जो दिया जाता है उसी को वो लोग मान लेते हैं अपना ओपिनियन। और आप जैसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं एक ह्यूमरस तरीके से, तो जो भी देख रहा है they are forced to think कि मे बी इसके अलग एस्पेक्ट्स भी हो सकते हैं.
Yes, the value of the content. Like if I'm watching something, basically I shifted towards this value-based content around last year. And I watched a lot of slapstick comedy. I realized that there's no core value to it.
तो सर कोई आपके आइडियल्स कौन होंगे?
My ideals.
नहीं, idols.
My idols. And my
every
content
creator has someone he or she looks up to.
There's a lot. There are many I idolize, but when it comes to making jokes, sitting down for something, I generally have one person in mind. It's Andrew Skulls. You can look it up. It's basically not the person. Oh my god, that guy. But the way he thinks. It's called, I think there's a term for it. It's called reverse thinking. I don't know the words exactly, but we go backwards in the deduction for like, let's say I have an opinion.
Reverse engineering type.
Okay, yeah. So let's say I have an opinion and I have to prove it. So I go to the proof and I move towards the opinion. That's how.
All right.
That's how.
So you think, why do I have that opinion? And
yes.
Then you try to make everyone else understand
Yes.
का fundamentals क्या है.
Yes.
एक doubt पूछता हूँ सर कि don't you think कि whenever you do topical humor, it is always some थोड़ा बहुत भी opinionated, because a topical creator always tries to be थोड़ा बहुत central, as in not swaying towards either side, but isn't it थोड़ा बहुत opinionated towards your own beliefs and your own this thing?
I think it's almost always that. I think it's almost always I have an ulterior opinion, a motive in my content, that I have to push this agenda, which I think is very wrong. My content in that way is very wrong. I don't want to do that, but I think I have to change. I have to learn. I guess yes, I agree. My content pushes an agenda most of the times. Plus, there's two things to my content. I also have a lot of galia. I guess that's true. I don't know. I think it's the bit of slapstick that's left, and I don't think it'll leave. Like when I started comedy, I was really dependent on basic humor. It has always been there.
Fundamental, surface level.
Yeah, it's always been there. Like, here's the thing: 10 people will come to you and they'll say, "Oh, Aman, fuck Gali is not funny." But let's be honest: if I hear a funny enough word in a funny enough pronunciation, I laugh. Personally, I laugh. That is the instinct to a laugh. Okay. And the other one that we developed from humor, that is something that we developed. Okay, the opinion. Okay, saying something is not funny, and this is politically correct, and this is right, and I can laugh at it, and this is not correct. But the instincts are instincts. They are going to laugh at what is funny. Okay, which is basically funny. So that's why I think I sometimes end up putting a funny galia in it.